Hi, I'm Kiwi. I am thrilled that you are interested in joining Norwex. In February, it is an amazing time to start a business, to open a Norwex consultant account. I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm going to answer your frequently asked questions. I want to mention that I am a completely open book. If I don't answer what's on your mind, send me a message. Ask away. Hopefully, by watching this, most of your questions are going to be answered just from this video. In February 2026, we have 3 different kit options. 2 of them are risk-free. 1 of them is low risk. And we have an amazing skincare promo this month that will absolutely knock your socks off. For the first one, we're going to start with the risk-free sample kit. It is perfect for people who want no risk. You pay $30, you're instantly a consultant. What that means is that you instantly unlock 35% discount, but more important than that, guys, you unlock 35% earning income. So 35% of everything you sell, that means you sell $100, you've made $35. That is limitless. You sell $1,000, you have made $350. First thing right off the bat as you're thinking about becoming a Norwex consultant is I want to ask you, what would that look like for you to unlock $500 a month or $1,000 a month or whatever you have to unlock in your life to make things easier, to create some more wiggle room in your budget. Every consultant, the second you become a consultant, you get a 35% discount and you earn 35% of every sale. So that starter kit, $30, and you get an EnviroCloth and a window cloth and a variety of samples. It is a great way to start with Norwex because you get that basic package to use around your home. You can lend it out to someone. It gives you a great opportunity to get started with Norwex, and you get to try out our Powerzyme and some skincare because our skincare, guys, is phenomenal. Now, the second kit and the third kit, these all come with a special February bonus that I was telling you about. These, the Safe Haven 5, this kit is it's the same thing during our parties that is the basic must-have products. Safe Haven 5 has the EnviroCloth and window cloth, those Bert and Ernie must-haves. It has our cleaning paste, it has the dusty mitt, it has our Powerzyme, it has samples, and some business supplies. So a perfect place to start with Norwex. In February, you will instantly earn $289 worth of Norwex. Boom, instant. You get this $289. It is EWG Verified skincare. Amazing, right? So this is a no-risk kit, instantly a consultant. Now let's step into our standard starter kit. This one is for someone who either one, knows that they want to work a business, they know you want these products right away, and you do not want to put any money up front. And you are like, I'm going to do this, and let me tell you that you can. It is very easy. This is a low risk kit. You do not pay anything up front for the kit. You pay $9.99 plus tax to have it shipped to you. So you are paying tax, but the kit itself is free. What you get in the kit, all those products in the Safe Haven 5, all the ones that came in that original kit, plus the mop system, plus the body and face cloth. This is what removes all of your makeup, replaces shaving cream, replaces the need for soap. I have not used soap on my body in 10 years, you all. Okay, I haven't used anything else to take off my makeup besides the cloth in 10 years. Amazing. And then the rubber brush, did I say that already? The mop system. So you get all of these products for free. Now, to earn that kit for free, you need to submit $1,500 in your first 45 days. Yeah, this is very, very easy. Set up the second you join a few parties. Talk to some friends and family. Say, hey, I just joined Norwex. Would you have some friends and family? I want to show you how well these products. And you will easily earn that kit for free by having 2 or 3 or more events. You can do these in person. You can do them on Facebook or Zoom. In fact, I recommend doing a combination of those. And you will earn that kit for free. Now, worst case scenario, what if you don't? If you did not do 1,500 in 45 days, then at the end of that 45 days, you owe Norwex $200 for that kit. Now that kit is valued way over $300. It is still an amazing deal. You're still like, that's why I'm like, it's still a low risk because you're still a consultant. You still have that 35% discount. You're still earning an income. If you haven't hit all of your goals, that's why it's low risk. All 3 of those kits are amazing. And with that standard starter kit with the mop system, you are also earning that skincare upgrade for free instantly. So all you're paying is the shipping. You are getting $289 worth of skincare, plus you are getting that over $350 worth of Norwex for free. So amazing opportunity in the month of February. Now I want to talk about bonuses because Norwex is full of bonuses for all consultants, but especially brand new consultants. We have a program called the Bright Start Bonus. There are 3 bonuses just right off the bat that you can earn. The first one is Bright Start 1. You earn this in your first 15 days when you submit $500 retail. You get all of this Norwex for free, shipped to you automatically. I'm going to show you how you step through every room in your house when you earn all of these rewards. The second one is when in your first 30 days you do $1,000. Now you earn Bright Start 2 and you earn all of these products for free for your room, for your home. Then when you do the $1,500 in 45 days within that time frame, you earn your Bright Start 3. You get all of these products for free. It doesn't matter which kit you sign up for, whether it's the $30 sample kit, the Safe Haven 5 set, or the standard kit. You are eligible for the Bright Starts. This is free Norwex that you have the opportunity to earn. That is just sitting out there, dangling out there. So you might as well, even if you just want to share this with your friends and family, have a party or 2. Invite them to a Norwex mega party. Invite people, introduce them to Norwex, and earn these products for free. And you can earn an income. And you can put their orders on a party and earn up to 25% back in free product with our host rewards. So you get to double and triple dip. So those are some of the Bright Start bonuses. Now there's more. When you join, every new consultant gets 3 golden tickets in their starter kit. And this is what golden tickets are. In your first 45 days, so during your Bright Start period, you get these 3 golden tickets and you get to offer those. Friends, family, customers, anybody. They can join Norwex within your Bright Start time and they get the free skincare. Even when this promotion is not going on. So maybe it's March and we don't have this promotion. You get to offer it to your friends and family and to people you know and say, you can join with the sample kit for $30 and get $289 worth of Norwex. And now you are also building an income through a team. So you can instantly have people join with you, which is a lot of fun. So much opportunity with Norwex in February and ways to join. Now let's talk about frequently asked questions. I'm just thinking off the top of my head. Are there any hidden fees? Okay, the first few months, you get a website for free. You can turn this on and off. In fact, it's a toggle button on the website. It's normally $9.99 a month. Now, if you're working your business like me, that's really affordable to have your entire business handled for you for $9.99. What comes with that? A website, emails, texting, flash sales, all kinds of support from the field. I don't have to do anything on my website. Norwex takes care of that. If you are not working your business, you just want to use this for the discount for yourself, for taking advantage casually, you can turn that off. You don't have to have it. So after you have it for yourself for free for a few months, just turn that off, no problem. The second thing is, how hard is it to stay a consultant? So now bear with me. Sometimes the wording on this can get confusing. It's actually quite simple. To stay a consultant, Norwex requires that you have, and I'm going to first talk in retail cost, $250 every 3 months. Now, if you're just shopping for yourself and your discount is applied, you would be spending $162.50 every 3 months. That's what I would say. I can do that. Skincare, detergent, dishwashing detergent, like the things that you need around your house. You'd spend about $162. But better yet, I would share that with a few friends, 3 to 5 friends who need laundry detergent, who need skincare, deodorant, the basic things. They can have it on autosave, or you can just put an order through every few months and have your friends get things for you. So easy to maintain $250 every 3 months. Now, if you don't do that, it's okay. Norwex does give you an extra 3-month grace period, which means technically you have 6 months. But to stay an active consultant in good standing, it's $250 every 3 months. Very, very easy. And there are no penalties. So if you do not do that, you simply just fall off. You are not penalized. You don't have any fees. There's no tricks there. Let me know if you have any questions about that. More fun is, let's talk about incentives. I just recently got back from Costa Rica. It was my sixth, why am I having a hard time saying that, incentive trip. I have been all over with Norwex. It is all inclusive. We flew to Costa Rica and we had the most amazing time. Norwex even paid for excursions. There is so much opportunity with Norwex. There are no limits to how much you can earn. It is all up to you. So you can decide, can you do a party a week? If you want to make an income, and you want to do a party a week, the average national party is $600 or $650 a month. That's the national average. So let's round up. Let's say you're going to be a rock star and you do $1,000. That means $350 a week. Would that help you to have an extra $350 to pay for groceries or your kids' dance lessons? Can you do a party a week? Okay. So then what if you could do 2 or 3 parties a week? You can do as much as you want, whatever fits into your schedule. That's pretty amazing because there's no limits. You can grow as much as you want to. You don't have to grow a team, but I certainly wouldn't prevent people from joining because they will want to. I joined originally for the discount. I never thought I would join and grow a team. When I realized how important our mission was and how important it is to get Norwex in people's homes, that's when I started sharing with more people and realized how important that I wanted my daughters to see why this is so important. So I started sharing more and was like, more people. So don't take that opportunity away from people. Share it. Share those golden tickets with people. So that opportunity is out there. I don't do anything special. I just am excited about it. I'm just dedicated to sharing our mission. What if you say something like, I'm not a salesperson? Well, good. You don't have to be. Educate. Just show how the EnviroCloth takes butter off a window. Show how amazing our skincare is. But our products speak for themselves when you show how well they work. And if you're like, but I don't know how to do something, every Tuesday night, Norwex puts on a Zoom mega party. And that means a senior leader like myself puts on an amazing presentation. It's about 20-25 minutes long, and it's done for you so that you can invite friends and family, and you can have a host that invites their friends and family, and then you collect the sales. So that's fantastic. Let's see what else. As a consultant, when I place an order, I get my 35% discount, but my order gets placed on a party and I get the host rewards. So not only will I get 35% off, but I get up to 25% back in host rewards. So when I'm hosting my own event, I earn host rewards, and then I can use those for myself, for my home. Free products are amazing. And I also can use those as giveaways for people. So things like that don't come out of my pocket. Let's see what else. Let me know what kind of questions you have. I'm happy to answer them below. I welcome everybody on my team. Like I said, we have a strong mission and we need more people. There's only so much I can do. Only so many parties I can have a week. So I need more people to share Norwex with, and I want more people to go on the trip with me. So consider joining. There's always a risk-free kit. And if you want that mop system right away and those amazing products that are in our standard kit, you know that it's a very low risk kit, very doable to earn all of those free products and those bright starts and earn that standard kit for free. So comment below, send me a message, or click on the join link. I would love to have you join my team. Let me know if you have any questions. cleanwithkiwi.com. Thanks, everybody. Bye.